Here's meteorologist Michelle Muscatello with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, things here in the weather department changing quickly. Early this morning, if you were with us, we were talking about the bitterly cold, but now at noontime, we're talking about the potential of maybe some substantial snow.
It's starting to look more likely that this is going to be a significant player in our weather this weekend. This storm system that still, keep in mind, is almost a day and a half away. So we're not finding any snow on live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. And if you're planning on running errands, maybe doing a little holiday shopping this afternoon or this evening, you're not going to have any problems other than it being very cold. We do have a winter storm watch, though, that's now in effect over coastal sections of Rhode Island out towards the Cape and Islands, and that starts for Saturday evening and night and continues into Sunday. At this point, though, I anticipate for some of those watches to be extended over inland areas of Rhode Island and Bristol County, Mass. as well. But live city cam pictures out there right now. Dry, clear, just chilly. 27 still the temperature, and the wind chill is running in the teens with even a light northwest wind. Look how ultra low the humidity is, only 18%. This air, very dry, very cold too. Normal high is around 40. We're still in the mid-20s. East Bay Manor and East Providence, 27 in Johnston, and in the upper 20s in Cumberland. Coast Guard House coming in right now at 28. When you factor in the winds, we're seeing wind chills running in the teens most areas, and even still some single-digit wind chills up into Worcester. It's an improvement from this morning. We had sub-zero wind chills. As much as 5 to 10 below zero was the wind chill at dawn this morning. But here's satellite and radar. Clear skies, just some lake effect snow over portions of northwestern Pennsylvania. The storm center itself is still again in the eastern Gulf of Mexico, just now starting to bring some snow to some of the higher elevations of North Carolina and Virginia. For us, it's going to track off the coastline, and the track is going to be key for how much snow and wind we see. But right now, there's potential for not only some significant snowfall, but some strong winds too. Seeing that we're still a day and a half away, variations in this track are likely to develop with our computer models, either tracking closer to us or further away. Further away would mean lighter snowfall totals. Closer to us, we'll be talking about maybe some mixture with some snow and sleet and rain, especially for the Cape and Islands and the extreme south coast. But I'm leaning towards a mainly all-snow event for much of our area. For this afternoon, still cold, dry, lighter winds, temperatures in the same range, about 25 to 30 degrees. Along the south coast in Newport, 30 for a high today, about 29 in Hope Valley. Northern suburbs, you're pretty much going to stay where you are, upper 20s in Scituate, Johnston around 28. And again, running more than 10 degrees colder than average for New Bedford and Fall River. Overnight tonight, another cold night, just dry, clear temperatures right around the lower to mid-teens. Saturday day is dry, just turning mostly cloudy, and the winds are going to start to pick up. High temperatures only around 30 degrees. Here's what I'm thinking again for that snow timeline. Dry through Saturday day, just increasing clouds Saturday night. Snow's going to start in the later evening hours and turn heavy after midnight. And I am looking for some accumulations, not only Saturday night, but into Sunday morning especially as well, with some heavy snow and strong winds as well as poor visibility. This is a very, very early call. Keep in mind that these numbers are subject to change based on a shift in the track, but right now, wouldn't surprise me for Providence Point South and east to see as much as 6 to 12 inches of snowfall. Some spots could see over a foot. If the storm were to track further away, we'd see lesser amounts. So think of this and shift it to the southeast, where the coastal areas would see in that several inch range, and inland areas could end up with lesser amounts, and a track closer to us could shift those numbers as well. But 7-day Futurecast, those are some significant totals, enough to plow and shovel, and you're going to want to check back in with Tony because he's going to have an update starting tonight at 5.
Yes,
but yeah, exactly. So something to bear watching, because not only are we talking about some significant snow, but blowing winds will reduce visibility too.
6 to 12?
Possible.
I got to find my shovel. I got to find my shovel and my ice melt. All right, Michelle, thanks.
Wow.
Now.